Hi, I'm John Walkinshaw from eXp Realty, and I am thrilled to introduce you to 1037 Kernohan Farm Trail. This is a 3.5 acre property with a beautiful pond and a great 3-bedroom home with massive oversized bedrooms and lots of offerings that a family would absolutely love. A lifestyle that this home provides is one that so many families would covet. As you can see from the drone footage, the 3.5 acres is a combination of open land with grass and trees and a beautiful pond that we'll take a look at shortly. And unique to this township is the fact that you can actually add an additional residence on a property like this. Reach out to me for more details on that. But let's take a look inside the house to start off our tour today. Here we are inside this lovely home. It's so cozy and it has so much natural light from all the windows that are in every room. I'm actually standing in the family room area, and there's 3 super large windows that look out onto the different aspects of the front yard. You don't need artwork in this home because the windows give God's natural artwork through the windows. And this room with the beautiful wood fireplace is actually very large and open to a beautiful dining room that you can see behind me. And beyond the dining room is again open to the kitchen area with a great bay window and lots of counter and cupboard space. This home actually has a lot of storage space. When you come and see it for yourself, you can see all of that. Down the hall is a really great 4-piece bathroom that serves the 3 bedrooms on this floor. Bedroom number 1 is what I would say is an oversized bedroom that actually has 2 closets and a good sized window overlooking the front yard. Bedroom number 2 is also very large with a good sized window and a great closet. And the primary bedroom at the end of the hall is amazing. It's got its own ensuite, a massive sized bedroom with a walkout door that leads onto the deck. And the bedroom has a good sized closet as well as a second walk-in closet that could be used as a dressing room as well. And I love the fact that it has 2 windows in it, one looking at the front yard, one looking at the backyard, so it has lots of natural light in that closet as well. And I mentioned storage quickly, but I didn't mention the fact that this has a large detached secondary garage, which is a fantastic space to store your toys and any other belongings that you don't want to keep in the home. Let's take a peek at the pond area. It is absolutely something we don't want to miss. It's hard to believe standing here with how quiet and how in the middle of nature I feel, that we're actually just a couple-minute drive away from the town of Minden and all that it has to offer, including a Dairy Queen, I might add. And lots of recreational type items like the lazy river. Not many properties have a hidden gem like this that are completely enclosed in them. It's its own large pond or baby lake, whatever you want to call it, and it could be all yours for your family to enjoy. If this home or property is of interest to you, please give me a call today. It would be an honor to serve you.